Blackview is here with a new affordable and extremely value for money tablet. Blackview Tab 10 houses some exceptional features at a competitive price. The new tablet is much attractive and useful than the ones from Huawei and Samsung. The company is primarily known for its rugged smartphone, and for the past couple of years it has continuously improved on making good tablets. Blackview Tab 10 comes with a custom UI based on Android 11. It enables the users to have more control and convenience over the stock Android. Blackview Tab 10 offers a massive 7480 mAh battery that can last up to days. Unlike the other affordable tablets which hardly carry a 5000 mAh battery, the new tablet will bring 600 hours of a standby time upon full charge. Statistically, the tablet offers 5.5 hours of gaming experience, 6 hours of video playback, and 30 hours of music playback. Display allows remains as important component for the tablet. Blackview Tab 10 houses a 10.1-inch Full HD Plus display that offers vivid colors and excellent contrast. It comes powered with an MTK 8768 processor, which is further coupled with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. The user can expand it up to 128GB via micro USB card. So that's all for today. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friend. Go check out the description box below to get this awesome gadget, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more latest cool reviews.